This is Novotin Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium. Kaiser Chiefs 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 2. Put how's it?
I'm right yourself.
Fine, thanks, man. How do you feel about the game today?
No, the game was cool and the game was wonderful. I'm also very much happy about the play of Kaiser Chiefs has improved very well
From last season, yes.
from last season. If you can check, our last game with Sundowns, they beat us
5-1, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
very same stadium. So now I'm very much happy. They've improved a lot. Yes, we missed chance. They've got chances and they capitalize of their chance.
Yeah.
But we play very well. So I'm very much happy about the Navi. Navi has shown us that Kaiser Chiefs it's a big team. It's a number one team in South Africa.
Yeah.
So the way the team has come back, it shows us that we're going far.
Yeah.
So I'm very much happy about the improvement of Kaiser Chiefs. The way they play today,
Yeah.
well, we came here as underdogs. Truly speaking,
100%.
we came here as underdogs. Even if we have number of supporters,
Yeah.
more than Sundowns.
Yeah. On
But
paper,
yes,
yeah, you're underdogs, yeah.
yes, but we came here as underdogs. But we have proved our point that we are not underdogs.
Yeah.
We are not the team that we should undermine, especially with the coach that we have. So I'm very much happy about everything, about performance. I won't complain much about the referees and the likes and the likes.
Yeah.
No, I'll appreciate our play.
Yeah.
Our play is giving us much more improvement.
Much more improvement. So going forward, where do you think Coach Navi must change going forward?
I
Or
think-
maybe must he just leave it like this, or maybe to see some changes that he need to make?
No, I think the type of play that we need to improve on. We need to improve on and tiki passes. We don't have that type of style.
Like Sundown, Shushan, and
Yes.
Piano like that.
They
Yeah.
are playing tiki passes. You understand?
Yeah.
So if you can improve somewhere somehow, avoid playing long balls.
Yes, I saw the goalkeeper. I know
Yeah.
he was playing long balls and
Exactly.
they come back fast. Yeah.
Yeah, we must avoid that thing. You must come and play. If you up from the back, it's perfect.
Yeah.
So we don't have problem as to play that tiki passes. Then you need to introduce players
Yeah.
that can accommodate our play in terms of build up from the back and from defender and pass a midfield
Yeah,
and
yeah.
do those tiki passes going forward.
Thank you so much, my brother. All the best
you.
in future. Thanks, coach.
Thank you very much.